Nirok tini payment bagai sung TSF ninggu sini press conference asok maninggu ang nirok ni TSF ni General Secretary Hamalu an logo tong sini Vice President Pintu sini Chief Organizing Secretary Bibas te sini Assistant Finance Secretary Somor ani yagaro tong sini Joint Secretary Reno te sini Assist Central Leaders Divisional Leaders jotono tongu tini sung press conference asok maning omana nirok sigo sung TSF kedung mas salro sini movement temana te Roman script nati sung kai 2020 ni sing kisa governor ni sing memorandum loka chang nirok nukhana aman borga sung strike dakoka board by malaika sung memorandum to yaparing to haipana tumanuk jaka government rok assure khai kaje borok sungno ronai hne sung tabo kebo bai malai lia borok sungmai phai ma malai ne sini students from the future thangsagai tongo sung ma busi nai sung thangsaga khorang mati sanai ang public no appeal khainai especially students sung sigi makha khna class 12 ni CBSE board exam ko gro par anga thangi tong sung niro ni support na guardians rock niro ni support na nirok support khaya ke chini movement success sangla sung jotono no koi nai students guardian public political party NGOs social organization student organization tabok te kaisa omo kokbrok speaker on ismi fight ya I will invite even non kokbrok speakers omo nirok ni fight nirok mabusi nai sung kokbrok saya sung tangai khane bangke any movement success ngla thangnai goro sini traffic police harassment khaijaka boto kokbrok sanaya haibana khaijaka bole harassment amu sung mabusi na boni bagai TSF sung jebor pana sini je phan tongsa sung khaini tong thangnai strike khaibro jeng sing leaders orjok tong jotoni case masaja kodo thangma tongo sung sini bai khaya guardian of mabusi nai sung nirong ni busa nirong ni churai nirong ni jati kusin mai sakai and our future generation thangnai class 10 exam ronai ro borok fail singai ni baksa saka pose pore maya baiga sunei ba borono roman script bai phrungjaka government assure khai ka ba borbo waso kha yes roman script phrungpana question paper roman script bai yang nai tabok jeng appeal khainai TSF ready tongo TSF bas ka hinga ni ready tongo nirok logade tong amasita question public student logade tong boni bagai TSF khna 24 March 2025 jeng indefinite strike dakogoi tongo sini TSF dengai sung joto political party joto organization joto student organization joto borok nirona appeal khainai o movement no success khagen bage sung nogo thugoi tongoi simi TSF no simi nai sagai o movement success ngla sung vision of ready khainai haifana nironi support karika movement bage success ngai my dear student you should understand niron bai sung fight khai tongo sung case pasai tongo nirok kirigai nogo tong tong hang o movement success ngla guardian rok mabusi nai sung sikha khana 21st March kokbrok paper 12 ninga thangi tongo baksa hongoi mana exam bahai ge ronai tarodi sung reschedule khai ronai sung pal ke tiuprano hor musung ma khang ke tangai government kiriang nai ba sung TSF simi khol ke sene haya nirok public om mabusi nai students nirok dress kind of khadi sung loge tongo nirok ma mabusi nai sung nirok ni bagai sung je khanma saksini phan tong sung khaine tong public rock especially we should understand tumangoi dong sini movement tangai success nya 50 years na ka tangai sung mabusi nai boni bagai sung joto organization joto student You may be from different community, different tribe. Khanani all movement of participate khagen by sung koinai. They government of India, government of Tripura, they both nirok directly sung by contact ma khainai. You may think we are very much like tabo sini logo students tongo, guardian tongo, public tongo. Government of Tripura so oman one khaya. Nirok problem solve khayo musu thangke sung by direct contact khaidi. Sung ready to talk ni bagai. Hai bana, our students should not be played again. Language natoi, question paper, subject natoi. Sini student natoi politics ta khai sakthang. Sini student in future manago ta thang ni chung naige. Bon bagai sung TSF, sung sring tongmalia. Sini student ni dukh hono goi chung mapa sapika. Sung appeal khainai. I appeal all the communities, all the political organization, NGO, social organization to be part of this movement. White no to process ganang ni strike da khaba sung public no man appeal khainai nirok ni jaga wono ta highway kabang ma tong aro jaga wono ka sodi sung kha khaiye public rock thang pai hasal tong problem happen usok zorala sung khaiman je jaga ni national highway gana aro no ka sodi hasal khaiye yogo aro no ka sodi sung om dai ka se khwang ti sa thang ke sung kha khai gi sini demand fulfilling nai